Welcome to the laboratory. I'm Nicole.
And I'm Drew, and today we see what kind of levels of madness our two teams of Labrats can take. Let's meet them, Nicole.
Let's meet them. Over on the red team, two best friends from way back right here. We've got Lynchy and Pat. Lynchy, you've got heaps of pets. Tell us about all those.
Well, I've got two birds, and their names are Harry and Charlie. They got a cool little dance they do.
Can you show us?
Sort of just
So a bit of a head-banging thing?
Yeah, sort of a
So they're into the heavy metal?
Yeah, heavy metal.
Awesome. Cool. And Pat, you've done something pretty awesome yourself. Extreme jet boater right here. Where did you do that at?
In New Zealand.
You weren't scared?
No, not really.
So we've got daredevils from way back here. All right, let's see who you've got on the blue team.
The red team are packing plenty of skills, but the blue team brings skills with them as well. First up, we got Matthew. Matt, how are things? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now you've got a pretty special pet.
Yeah, my cat.
Kind of thinks he's human, doesn't he?
Yeah, just lies on the couch all day. Basically never see him outside.
Really? He just chills in the house. Does he hog the TV remote? You can never get a go? No? Cool. And we've also got Blair on the other side there. Now, Blair, you've got a pretty cool nickname. What is that?
Oh, it's Puff and Fresh because all the kids poke me a lot, and it's a big thing. He gets poked.
He's like a little happy man, and that's what you are, Blair. And we're hoping you can bring your Puff and Fresh skills to the game today. And speaking of games, it's time to get into it. Let's kick things off with the Nano Challenge. Now, do you guys think, using only this coin and a little bit of coin karate, that I'm going to be able to knock that bottom coin out from underneath and leave the top standing?
Just the bottom one.
Just the bottom one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Reckon you can do it?
No.
No!
The red team are doubting you.
At least the Blues have my back. You're my boy, Puff and Fresh. All right, here we go. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Thanks, boys. Thank you.
How did you see
How does that happen? We are amazing.
How do I fluke that off? Well, it's because all material objects have a property called inertia, which means they don't want to be moved if they're standing still. So when you're in a car and it takes off from the stoplight, that's why you kind of go back in your car seat. Okay, the same thing happens here. The coins on top are standing still, and they have enough inertia to stop them from going anywhere while the bottom coin gets moved out from underneath.
They don't really want to go anywhere.
Nope, they stay right there. Labrats, you have 90 seconds to see how many coins you can get out from the bottom of your towers, okay? If the tower falls down, you have to move on to the next tower.
And how many points do they get?
They get 10 points. They have 90 seconds to be the team who can get the most coins out.
3, 2, 1, and go. All right. One for a team.
We've lost a tower there. We've got one out blue team, but we've lost two towers. That's it, 2,
Close.
3,
Oh, perfect.
5. That's it. That one's down, unfortunately. Yes. Blue team doing well, but they only have 2 towers standing. There we go. Ammunition back.
Down. 1 minute to go.
That tower doesn't count, unfortunately. I think we can only get one more out there. That's it, lad. Oh, no, that tower's gone.
Beautiful.
Unfortunately, blue team have lost all of their towers. Now we've got to sit it out and see how red team goes.
That one's down. You've only got one left, red team. One more turn and it goes down now. Oh, beautiful. And now
We're done.
we're out too. All right. Counting up. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 20-cent pieces.
Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The blue team take it out.
Well done.
I'm not going to lie, I was a little worried for a moment there, but the blue team took it out. Congratulations, blue team.
How did you find that challenge? Was it easier or harder than you thought it would be?
It was sort of a bit hard because you're just trying to hit one coin out while trying to keep the other coin standing up.
And you had to get a bit close to do it well,
Yeah,
properly.
because if you went too slow, it wouldn't go out all the way.
So it's all about strength and getting it in there nice and close.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a lot of strength.
Yeah, you gotta really get it right in there.
I think we went pretty well, but we're gonna definitely come back at them.
Oh, we definitely will.
After proving their black belts in coin karate, we have our first points on the scoreboard. The blue team on 10 points.
Not quite the black belt, but hey, the red team are on 0 points.
We'll come back, don't worry.
Definitely
like
coming
the
back. You better watch out.
Displaying lots of confidence there, and that's what they need to snatch some points in What Will Happen If.
Alrighty, Labrats, now's your chance to tell me what you think's going to happen for a change.
I'm glad this was happening because I thought you'd just taken time out for a beverage.
Yeah, we do have work to do, don't we? All right, I've got 2 containers of milk. One's full cream and one's low fat. We're going to blow bubbles into both of those. Your question for 5 points is to tell me in which of those milks will the bubbles last the longer, the full cream or the low fat?
Oh, I think the full cream milk.
You think the full cream milk? Why?
Because, well, fat starts to bubble up. So when you blow into it, since there's a lot of fat in that, I reckon it will bubble up more for longer.
I reckon the low fat because it's probably lighter than the full cream when the bubbles go up. So
That's some good thinking. What do you think, Matt?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
I'm going with full cream.
We're going with the full cream milk.
Full cream milk's ours.
He's
Full
the
cream
smart
milk
one.
for us.
Alrighty, boys. Low fat it is.
Okay, ready, set.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that one's pretty bubbly, and this one here is the low-fat milk. So guys over there got the 5
Blue
points.
team, good job. The game is well and truly underway with the blue team on 15 points.
Yeah!
Love that sound when they cheer.
Well, red team, we're not too far behind. I guess we're on 0.
Well, we'll come back.
We will come back. So
Don't think we'll not come back.
Them's fighting words.
they are fighting words. Things are really starting to heat up here on Labrats. So stick around and find out what other situations we'll get ourselves into.
Who will be the first team to make it through the labyrinth, complete the rat race, earn the ultimate 30 points, and get cheesed?
Will it be blue?
Oh, will it be red?
Hang around to find out.
Can you throw and catch, Drew?
Not very well, Nicole.
Very well.
No.
Well, I can, so that's a good thing. I'm going to put this eye patch on, and I'm going to attempt to catch the balls that you're going to throw at me from over there.
Okay,
Let's
yes.
do this.
So normally you're very good at this. Is this what you're saying?
Normally, I am very good at this. I'm going to be doing catching with the bucket.
Alrighty, here we go.
Right.
Oh, not bad. Let's
Good.
try something smaller there. Oh, no, you missed that.
Let's do. Well, okay, can we
No,
slow
not
down?
going terribly well. I thought you said you were good at this.
I am good.
That time
at
was just
this.
chance.
Oh, right. No, I am actually really good at this. I'm happy to know that I'm not uncoordinated.
So what does the eye patch do to your usual perfect game?
When we block the vision through one of our eyes, our brain finds it quite hard to judge how far away an object is.
Ah,
There you go.
so
I'm
that's
not
why the
unco.
Pirate Olympics never took off.
That's exactly why.
Awesome. What is the challenge for our team of Labrats
Okay,
today?
for our team of Labrats today, both of you will be wearing an eye patch. Okay, one of you will be manning the station with the all different size balls. The other person will be catching. Now you have 1 minute to see how many balls that you can put in that bucket. If you are successful, you will get yourselves 15 points. But we have a problem, Drew.
Yes, who is going to go first? We don't want one team seeing the other team's strategy. So, blue team, you're in the lead. Do you want to go first, or do you want to be shrunk down with the shrink ray?
Yeah, we'll go first.
Go first. All right. Red
Red team, you know what that means? It's time to be shrunk.
Lynchy and Pat, the blue team, have put you up for shrinking. How do you feel?
It's a bit intimidating.
A little bit intimidating?
Yes, it is.
All right, well, let's find out just how intimidating it's going to be, boys. We're shrinking you down now. Red team, you're like little action figures of your former selves. What does it feel like?
It just feels so weird. Just feels something bigger than us.
Yeah, you think you're going to be okay like that for a little while?
I think we'll be alright.
Think you'll be okay? Well, to doubly make sure, I'm going to get Nick just to put the safety cage around you.
What? Safety cage?
Well, things are going to get a little bit scarier because allow me to introduce you to our kitty.
Kitty? Hello, Kitty. Stay away, Kitty.
Well, the red team seem to be soothing the kitty, so they should be okay. Let's see how the blue team goes in the Method Madness.
I'm thinking to throw the big balls at Matt early, so then we get them out of the way.
Okay, well, you actually have to alternate. You have to go big ball, small ball, big ball, small ball. So you're going for the throwing, though?
Yep.
Yeah, and we're thinking of wearing the same eye, the eye patch on the same eye.
Okay.
All same side,
Yeah,
so...
same side.
How do you think that will help?
Well, because then we
when
can
you
both see where we're throwing the ball.
All right, on your marks, get set, go! That's it, lads. Keep it happening. You got 1 minute. Oh, nice one, Matthew. Oh, so far, 3 for 3. That's it. Whoa, doing very well. Puff and Fresh's got a good arm. Matt's got a good catch. Oh, we've just missed one now. So good. Oh, nice work, Matt. Oh, we've missed one then. Oh, we've lost a few then. 10 seconds left. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's game. Oh, very nice work, boys. Very nice indeed. Missed a few of the smaller ones, but as far as the large balls go, you got them all.
Now it's time to unshrink the red team.
So when Patrick wears the eye patch, throws the ball, put the bucket on a little bit of an angle so the ball can hit back and then put it in so I can go start
It'll have
alternating.
nowhere to go. It has to go in there.
Nowhere to go because it'll hit the back, curve in forward.
Ready, set, go! Go, Dave. Oh, close. More ball. Like
Yeah,
that.
come on,
Kelly,
Pat,
more
come on, Pat, come on, Pat.
Beautiful.
Small ball. Let's go, Pat, let's go.
Oh, that was a bit high.
Doesn't matter. Come on, Pat, let's go.
Oh,
Dang, small ball. Small.
Having more luck with the little one. Big ball.
Yeah,
Small
let's
ball.
go, Patty.
Love this communication.
Big ball. All right, big, yep. Right, come on, let's go, little. Got it. Only one.
Oh, almost. Oh, I get a bit excited in the end here. All right, 10 seconds, guys.
Come on, Pat, come on.
Let's see how many more we can do.
Throw it when I'm catching it.
That's it. 5,
Come on, Pat, 2
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that one's out. And stop there. Oh, very well done, guys. Let's see, though, if it's enough to beat the blue team.
So, Nick, let's find out who our winner is. How many balls do you have in
Well,
there?
the red team got 20. Well done, guys. Blue.
And the blue team got 23. There it is, the blue
missed out.
team taking out the Method Madness. How does this affect the scoreboard? Let's take a look. We have the blue team on 30 points.
And the red team, you're on 0. But don't despair. Don't despair.
No, do not give up yet because there is a massive challenge about to come your way.
Where anything can and will happen. It's about to get a whole lot more crazy as we prepare for the rat race.
For the rat race, it's good to be smart.
And it's also good to be quick.
And it helps to be able to see in the dark. Nicole?
The
First players in the particle accelerator.
get to grab the most bonus points to add to their score.
They're called status accelerators.
Quick, it's time to start the rat race.
Our Labrats are pumped up and ready to go. We need to get out of this room, Drew. Where are we headed?
We are headed to the labyrinth. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Prepare to be amazed. Drew, what have you got for us?
This is our rat race challenge for today. Check out this piece of coolness. Here we go.
Nothing much happening, Drew.
Oh,
Oh, yes, it is.
yes, you doubted me.
Cool.
You like that? Yeah. Okay, what happens there is when you pump air into the bottle, the pressure becomes higher and higher, and eventually it becomes so high that it forces the cork out, the air rushes out, and propels the rocket upwards.
Cool. So what do these guys have to do today?
Okay, guys, your challenge today is to use those rockets to knock out all 3 targets, okay? Once you've knocked out all 3 targets, then you can proceed on. So what you do, you race through the labyrinth, do the challenge. Once 3 targets are knocked down, you head through the maze. The first team to come out of the maze and get cheesed picks up the 30 points.
Guys, how are you going to work this to your favour?
Communication and teamwork.
He goes first,
I'll
the
go
quickest
first.
one. It's down the slide,
Yeah,
quickly get the
get
points.
as many points as we can.
Then I'll just clean up scraps.
I like the sounds of that.
Mostly all the way through. Paddy's going to go first here, so
Paddy's going to take the reins.
when he gets out, hopefully he'll get the 3 targets straight away with that rocket.
Excellent. Then you'll fire off through the maze.
Fire off through the maze.
Going to use any kind of technique when pumping?
Do it hard.
Yeah,
Do it hard.
do it fast.
Red team, are you ready?
Yes! Come on!
Blue team, are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, guys, let's do this. On your marks, get set, go! Flying through the pad.
Oh, the boys are
Whoa!
coming through the maze first, coming into the laser field first. Red team not far behind. There is a huge gap in the scores, and this has made the boys fierce, and they're taking it out on the labyrinth. Blue first to hit the rope climb.
That's it, Red, up there.
Both red team members out. Puffy coming out there through the laser field. It's Blue, quick and nimble, straight to the top of the rope climb. Red not far behind. Pat out first, followed by Lynchy. Keep it going. Come on, keep that climb. It looks like Blue team are in to the anti-vision chamber first of all.
You right? Just go dead end. Dead end. Dead end, turn around. Just follow the wall upwards. I can't see! Where? Help! Help!
They're calling for help now, which I'm not too sure is going to actually help them because we can't help them. We can see everything that's going on, but they can't see a thing.
Where do we go? This is like so pointless. Where are we going? Hold on, mate, hold on. Calm down, mate. Go back, go back.
The anti-vision chamber has completely confused them.
Can you guys see? No. Is that a wall? Yeah, I'm here. Oh, I never. Hello. I found it, mate. You gotta go under.
Oh, I think he's got it.
Oh, he
He's
does.
got it.
You gotta go under. I found it. Yeah.
He's done it.
Oh, and I think the red team have just done it as well.
They both found it at the same time. It's on.
Wait, I found it. You have to duck, mate. Yes.
Come on, get the 20.
Get out, get out. Yes.
Oh, it is out as they come out of the anti-vision chamber, Puffy. Puffy first down the... Oh, it's a race to the... Oh, a race to the finish as the boys come out of the particle accelerator. Look out.
Okay, give me your points, boys.
Whoa.
Thank you. We got the 20 for red.
Pat, this way.
What have you
Over
got
this
there,
way, Pat.
Blair?
Quick.
Thank
Land your rocket.
you.
Puffy's first out. He's going for the rocket.
Okay, I've got the point.
Both boys pumping hard.
There we have it, the last of the bonus points. Red has picked up 25 and blue on 25 as well.
Now, boys, you have to put your rocket back on those corks, otherwise the air won't build
Make sure
up.
it's right on there, nice and tight. Nice
Okay,
and
here
tight.
they go.
Even tighter than that.
Oh, this is going to be
Gonna move
one
nice and
target.
down.
One target for the Blues.
Press it down.
Okay. Keep going.
Watch out, Blair.
Come around this way, Puffy. That's it.
That's it.
Here we go.
Okay, come on, come on.
That's it.
Oh, okay, we've got to get the other
One
one.
target left. One target. Oh, there they go. Blue up. Oh, and racing.
Slow down, mate. This way.
efforts, leading the whole way. What an absolute close game towards the end there.
Oh, that was too close.
But the blue team take it out. Nice work, boys. What a race it was today, and so close. It all came down to the anti-vision chamber,
Too
really.
close. I think you guys found the secret exit at exactly the same time.
And braveness all around. Puffy, you even said you're a bit claustrophobic, but you stuck it out. Way to go, my man. Way to go.
He's speechless.
Well, the blue team picked up 30 points for their bravery. It was a fantastic effort. What about the status accelerator
Well,
points?
keeping in with being so close as they have been the whole day, you both got 25 points in the status accelerator. So 25 to both teams there. So will this make a difference on the scoreboard? Let's find out.
Here we go. We have the blue team going strong on 85 points.
And the red team on 25 points. Well done, guys. Which blue? You're our winners today. How do you feel?
Good.
Well done, everybody. Well, we promised all sorts of crazy stuff with a messy finish, and I think we delivered.
I think we did. I have had so much fun today. It's been unreal.
I have too, guys. Have you had fun?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yep.
Thank you so much for playing.
And thank you for being along with us today. We've got plenty more challenges to throw at teams as Labrats. So we'll see you again next time.
Bye.
Bye.